Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. You need to start by opening settings, then scroll down just a bit and tap on display. Following that, choose adaptive brightness section over here and click on this switcher next to use adaptive brightness. As you can see, after that, auto brightness is on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same switcher one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!